Right, we've done another modification for the rear step. We've had it CNC cut out off my mate Dave up at Johston Engineering in Carlisle. Check him out, knows his stuff. So let's get to it. I'm going to paint it black, and then at the end of the video I'll show you exactly where it's going. Right, let's do it. Right, that's one coat down. We'll let it go off for a bit and we'll give it a second. Right, put a second coat on now, and if you've seen my previous video when I've done the step, you'll know exactly what's coming next. It's resin time, so I'll let this go off for a bit. I'm going to mix some resin up and then we're going to pour the resin and see how it gets on. Hopefully we can do it in a one of this time, because last time quite a few mishaps, but hopefully we'll do it in a one of this time, and we'll get it on and lit up. Right, catch you later. Right, it's the next day now, and we've got the plate painted and I've got it clamped down, so I just need to mix some resin up and pour it in, and hopefully it goes better than the last step we've done, but we'll see. Right, here we go again. Hopefully this works. Hope I've mixed enough. Whoa. Is it gonna run? Come on. Go, go, go. Yep, so far so good. Well, that went extremely well, so time will tell. We'll let it go off overnight and we'll come back tomorrow and see what it looks like. But first impressions, looking good. Maybe it looks better from this side, does it? Oh yeah, it's the day after the big pour, so I've taken all the shuttering off and it appears to be okay, so let's remove it, see what happens. Right, here we go. Ooh. I'll just go around this side. Bit of spillage. See what it looks like from the other side. Not too bad actually, but this end for some reason has lost the sparkly bits. It's more blue at this end than it is that end. Never goes right, does it? Bloody hell. Right, I've sprinkled a little bit of blue sparkly stuff on the back where it was a little bit tacky on one side, and I think it's kind of worked, so we'll see how we get on. So I'll try and find some LEDs again, and I'm going to light it up from the back like I did with the step, so hopefully this works. Right, I'm just in the garage. I've knocked the lights off, so it's pitch black in here. So I'll show you, I've lit it up. I'll put a LED on the top of it. See what you think. Knock this off. Not too bad. So what I'll do is I'll make some room in the back of my van and I'll get it fixed in and I'll show you the final results. Alright, back on the step again today. So I've emptied a lot of rubbish out the back from camper jam and this is what I'm left with. So hopefully the step's going to fit right across here like that and screw down. So I just need to get rid of a few bits. And then we'll get it test fitted. Well, I've already test fitted it, but I'll test fit it on the van with the bits removed. So see you in a minute. Right, I've got the step on, which I'll show you in a second, but I'll just put these on here and hopefully this should work. He says one down. Right, so I've already tested this on the bench and it did work, so hopefully this should work, and it does. So let me show you. So I've got it on here, we just need to fix it down. I haven't fixed it down yet, but you can see it's lit up. That's what it looks like from the back. So I just need to put all this drawer in and all the shit that's down here. I'll get all that back in, I'll get it fixed down, and then I might come back out later on in the night and I'll show you when it's dark, because it'll look a lot better when it's dark. Oh, typical. It's starting to rain now, so catch you later. Right, I've got the step fixed in, got a few bits and bobs back in, fridge is in, box of bits and bobs, fixed that down, a couple of screw caps on the top, fixed in there, one on the end, one under under that end as well. So that's it for now. Another step mod. Big shout out to Dave at Johston Engineering. If you need anything like this done, CNC cut, he's your man. I'll leave some details either on screen or in the description, but top geezer. Like I say, I'll come back out later on when it's dark and I'll show you what it looks like lit up. Hopefully it comes on when I open the doors. It did before anyway, so we'll see. Right, I've just nipped out. It's just about dark out here. I know it looks a bit light, but it is actually getting dark. So here we go. Oops, sorry. Snazzy. Right, another mod complete. On to the next one. If you like this video, give us a like and a subscribe, because it does help out, because I've noticed that about 90% of you aren't subscribing, so all helps. Cheers.